गोयचो कार्निवाल साथ घालपाक लागला। पणजी महानगरपालिकेन अंदूच्या उपक्रमाची तयारी चलयल्या। गोयची लोक परंपरा ही अंदूची कार्निवालाची थीम जाल्ल्यान मिरामार दर्यादेगेर बीच कार्निवाल आयोजीत केल्ल्या जी खास करून गोयच्या थळाव्या लोकांक आपली कला दाखोवपाची संद दिता।
पणजी महानगरपालिका आणि फियर्स किचन हांचे जोड पालवान 26 फेब्रुवारी ते 1 मार्च 4 दिसाच्या बीच कार्निवालात गोयच्या वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांतली 50 जेवणाची स्टॉलां मिरामार दर्यादेगेर लागतली। हाजो मुखेल उद्देश गोय आणि पणजे फूड हबा खातीर पालव दिवप। तेच बरोबर गीत संगीताचो आस्वाद, भुरग्यां खातीर कार्यावळी, पारंपारीक नाच लेगीत आसतले। आयकात।
Followed by the usual festivities, and the next day with the vintage car rally. This is in addition to the carnival that we are having in the city. This addition is at Miramar beach itself. Now the idea of having it, because there were a number of people who had come in who needed stalls, and we had paucity of place here. We didn't have sufficient place to accommodate them here. So we decided to give these people a chance. Most of them who are again all Goans food entrepreneurs, they want to start up their own businesses. Those who are trying to get more, create more awareness about the activities, and those other people who have ventured newly into this field. So in order to give them a proper opportunity to showcase their products, we give them a good platform. We decided that it would be held in Miramar Beach. Now this would be a total number of 50 stalls, having assorted mainly Goan culinary from all kinds, from all parts of Goa, different parts of Goa, and their different taste buds. This we are doing in association with Fierce Kitchen and AIC GIM Panjim. We will be briefed on it about the UNESCO and everything else with the officials who are here with me. They will brief you about exactly the details. But the idea is to promote Goa and promote in particular Panjim as a food hub, to make it a into the UNESCO list. I'm sure we will be able to attend it and do it and to succeed. In addition to the food stall, there will be a variety of entertainment also and live music. And this is also an excellent place in case any budding musician and an artist want to again showcase his or her talent. They are free to do so. There are designated places which will be marked out for them, and it's going to be something extraordinary. And this is going to be simultaneously held along with the carnival which is in Zamba Square. So this event is for the first time organized. We are hoping that we are sure it's going to be a big success.
Collaboration between Kamakshi College of Culinary Arts and AIC GIM, and we are India's first culinary incubator promoting foodpreneurs and chef and entrepreneurs in the culinary industry. So with this partnership and this event, we are looking to bring Goa and particularly Panjim city on the culinary map of India. So our foodpreneurs who are going to participate in this event are going to get an opportunity to incubate with Fierce Kitchens and take their culinary business dreams ahead.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख।